Just for the record, ma'am, ang presentasyon nyo napansin ko po kay Napoles. 8 NGO lang po yun, 1.7 billion lamang po yun out of a total of 6.1 billion given to NGOs and foundations and out of a total of 82 NGOs.
Opo.
Sa pagbabalik po ninyo dahil yung resolusyong inihain ko at ng ibang mga senador, hindi lamang po naman kay Napoles. Sa pagbabalik po niyo, sana bigyan niyo kami ng presentasyon dun sa balancing 74 NGOs at yun nanatiling balancing 4.4 billion na PDAF na napunta rin po sa mga NGOs, foundations at parehong questionable din po yung pinaglagyan. Mas malaki pa nga po yun. In fact, nakalagay din po sa report nyo, may 1.5 billion na unliquidated funds na napunta sa 55 NGOs. Ilan lamang po yung 8 ni Ginang Napoles.
Opo.
Pangalawa din po ma'am, sana po mabigay nyo rin po sa amin yung kopya ng report dahil maraming isa sa mga pansin o puna sa inyo. Bakit daw O7 to O9 lang at wala yung O10 onwards nung si Pangulo Aquino na nakaupo? Naalala ko po, nabasa ko sa website na ninyo yung findings ng COA kaugnay ng 2010 kung hindi ako nagkakamali. But nevertheless, can you inform the committee, ano na po ba yung findings na meron kayo beyond 2009 and is it posted in your website?
Meron po. It became, as I said a while ago, when we saw the pattern that was emerging from this audit, pinabilinan ho namin yung mga auditors na dun sa kanilang mga specific agencies.
Tutukan na po yun.
Tutukan na rin, isama sa audit focus.
So meron na
So
pong
naging agency specific po, hindi kagaya nito na agency, there were multiple agencies involved. So per agency, meron pong mga lumalabas. And I would say that we find the same implementing agencies. NABCOR is pretty notorious when it comes to that. ZREC. In fact, I think yung ZREC ng 2011 po, it's the same story about PDAF being given to NGOs and the NGOs implementing so-called projects, but upon inspection and validation, marami pong mga deficiencies.
So parehong mga...
Every year, meron po kaming mga lumalabas na audit reports, nasa website po, at tinatalakay na rin po namin dito yung mga PDAF na nasasama namin sa audit.
Ma'am, nung sinabi niyo pong parehong ahensya, parehong NGO, pareho din po bang legislators?
Very, very close. Siguro may nadagdag lang, for example, if I will remember, I remember right. Meron po. If I remember right, we're coming up with the Philippine Forest Corporation. I keep saying that even in interviews, no? And dapat ho, mga 1 week or 2 weeks ago pa namin na-release yan. Kaya lang, ingat na ingat kami dun sa pag-validate dahil baka meron na naman magsabing mali yan. But in that, hopefully by next week, mailalabas na po namin. This is a PDAF allocations in 2011 and 2012. So it's very current. So some members that are in this report, and I think 2 additional ones.
So imbis na
lalabas po yun next week.
So imbis na nabawasan po ma'am, nadagdagan pa?
Meron pong instances na. Well, at least in the case of Philippine Forest, yes.
One last point ma'am. From the point of view of the COA.
Can I just interrupt?
I yield to the Senate President.
In fairness to the senators, it's difficult for you, it's not fair for you to say whether nagdagan na isa o dalawa. Pwede mo bang sabihin mo kung sino itong isa o dalawa para naman yung hindi kasama, wala doon. Hindi naman kami, kung sinasabihin mo isa o dalawa, baka yung nakaupo rito kasama sa isa o dalawa. Pakisabi naman, in fairness.
Sir, I understand. As a matter of policy lang po kasi, we do not release, we do not say disclose until the report is released. Would it be sufficient for now to say that the 2 are not in this hall right now?
Pwede na yan, to start with.